perspective on freedom. Yeah, it's a freedom. Freedom is a space for me where we don't have enough space to do something right way in our life. We feel suffocated. Likewise, a birds can fly more efficiently, but it doesn't have enough space. Rather to spread its wings. A bird want to fly, but something or other thing is stopping it. It's not a freedom. Now let's be relate to the human life. During the British rule, our textile and clothes were far better than other textile because our viewers were very highly skilled and talented, but the British had cut off their thumb and hands so that they could suppress their space and talent. Our viewers could have flown with their talents in their works, but they had no space. It's kind a bird without its wing. So I can't say it's a freedom. If we can fly with our talents and we have enough space, then I can say it's a freedom. And let's see other point. Under British rule, we had to accept right as a wrong as a right. Where we can say wrong is wrong, right is right, then I can say it's a freedom. Let's see other point. No matter anyone is working where it could be implemented everywhere. Let's say I am an employee in a company. I find a wrong thing and I raise a point against my leader and company. If I am ensured that I am safe, also my job is safe, and no one will harm me, then I can say it's a freedom. But we have to understand what is the right or wrong freedom. What if there is no limitation in the freedom? Someone can misuse the freedom. Then we'll have to face the adverse effect of the freedom. So it's not a right freedom. Limitation is much important to maintain the freedom. Then I can say it's a freedom. Let's summarize my whole topic in few lines. If we have power and right to do something right way, and we can say what we want to without any other interference, and we are not a slave to other, then we can say it's a freedom. Freedom. Last but never least, we ought to respect our all martyrs and all the devotees who got us to give freedom. So I am appreciate to them, and I salute them. Happy Independence Day. Thank you.